Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial video, I'm going to break down for you how you can edit an already sent message in your Slack workspace. For example, if there's a message you would like to edit retroactively because you made mistakes accidentally, for example. So it is actually super simple, guys. Let me show you how to do that. Head over to your Slack workspace and select, for example, a chat or conversation or a chat history of a channel. It's totally up to you. And let's say, for example, I would like to change or re-edit that message I sent already at 5 a.m. as you can see. So it has already been sent. So as you can see also here in the brackets, it has already been edited. So it actually does work. So let me show you how to do that. Hover your mouse over the given message. It has already been sent. And after that, you will see these options here on the right hand side. What you want to do is click on more actions or on these three dots here and select edit message from the drop down menu. You may also use the shortcut E for that. And after that, you will be given the opportunity to edit your message really as you like. For example, change words or add hyperlinks, or let's say, for example, apply a bold font or letters, italic letters, add emojis, delete words, add more words, and so on and so forth. And to finalize this, guys, and to apply these changes, simply click on save here. And as you can see, these changes have been applied instantaneously, guys. That's how you edit messages on Slack. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.